Hello everybody, welcome to sunny Central Kentucky. It is a balmy 17 degrees outside today, so you can see that. We wanted to introduce you to a little project that we've got going on right now. You've seen this truck in a ton of our videos. This is our 2012 F350 single rear wheel. Time for some upgrades to it. ATS has helped us out with 3 different upgrades that we're going to be doing to this truck. Number 1, we're going to be doing a transmission upgrade. ATS transmission and torque converter. We're also going to be doing a CP3 over CP4 conversion on this truck from ATS. And then finally, we're going to be doing a twin turbo kit from ATS on this truck as well. We're really excited about this. We don't get to do as many project trucks as we like to anymore. We try to be as diversified as we can and do lots of stuff, but we're going to put this truck under the knife for the next few weeks and work on those upgrades. So we'll be giving you baseline numbers, then we'll be giving you horsepower numbers after everything is done to it. Looking forward to it. Stay tuned. Thank you.